Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb Pebble new 2.0 speaker. So this is a pair of multimedia speakers. You can see what the speakers look like. These speakers come with both an AUX cable and a USB powered cable, and it also has a volume rocker along with it. Let's quickly see what are the specifications we can gather from this box. Okay, over here we have these speakers have an output power of 3 watts into 2, that's total of 6 watts. They have two 5.08 centimeter audio drivers in them, and that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the speakers. So here we are. This is what the Zeb Pebble new 2.0 speaker looks like. They have foam edge speakers right over here. As you can see, these are like soft speakers, and they have like this soft as woofers almost. Has a matte green finish over here. They're made out of plastic, but they have a good finish as well. They don't have any rubber stops and anti-skid stops underneath, but they do have this flat surface, so you can place it on a flat surface like so, balance it on a flat surface. Let's quickly take a look at the cable. There is a pretty large volume rocker over here. There you can see it. There's a pretty large volume rocker right over here. On the other end, you have the 2 jacks of this particular speaker. This is a multimedia speaker, so there are 2 jacks. One is a USB-A jack and the other is a 3.5mm cable. So the idea is that when you want to plug it to a PC or a laptop, all you have to do is plug in the 3.5mm cable. Like over here, you can see 3.5mm cable and the USB cable, and you're pretty much good to go. I'm now going to play some music and demonstrate if this works. Okay, turn on the volume.
Just aside. It's so far away.
There, you heard it. This works absolutely fine. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics Zeb Pebble new 2.0 multimedia speakers. Thank you for watching.